Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now guys, for today's episode I'm going to show you how to rotate or flip this HP laptop. It is the HP 15BS 234MM laptop. Now as you realize, it is in portrait and not in landscape, so I need to get this flip. So what you need to do is to find a clear space on the screen, right click, that's on the desktop, then you're gonna actually go to display. So I'm using the arrows. Go down to display setting, enter. Now you want to go to this one that said orientation. So again, using the arrows to go to orientation, using the arrows and the tab key. So I'm using tab now. Right, as you can see, it is on orientation. Click on enter. Then you want to go to the one that said landscape. Use arrows, enter, and now it is asking me to keep changes. So click on keep changes. Right, so it is now rotate in landscape. So the perfect way, that's how it should be. It should be in landscape. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.